Thinking about rebuilding your Pacific Palisades home? Here's what you need to know. Construction costs start at $445 per square foot, which covers everything from foundation to move-in, including permits and project management. For a typical 3,000 square foot home, expect a build cost between $1.3 and $1.5 million. The process begins with design and planning, followed by permitting, which can take 3 to 6 months. Construction itself usually takes 12 to 18 months after permits are approved. Hillside lots, premium materials, and fire-resistant features can increase costs. Working with an experienced local builder ensures you meet all city requirements and avoid costly delays.